The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is launching soon, and I know you're all excited, so I've got a sneak peek for you today. I've got exact replicas of the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra to show you. Plus, I'll dive into all the confirmed leaks and rumors about these phones, and there's even a surprise phone that might launch too. Stick around till the end, hit that like button, and let's get into it. First up, let me show you all three phones. Here's the S25, the S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. Let's start with the Ultra. At first glance, it looks pretty similar to the S24 Ultra. The button placement, S Pen, and ports are almost identical, but there are some subtle yet important changes. The most noticeable one. The sides, they're now flat with rounded edges, which means the phone feels a lot better in hand, especially for those of you who use your phone a lot. No more hurting your pinky finger or palm. Plus, since the sides are flatter, the width of the phone is reduced, making it easier to hold, even though the display is a little bigger this time, thanks to thinner bezels. The resolution and refresh rate are staying the same, along with the anti-glare coating and the display panel, M13, which was used on the S24 Ultra. A lot of people were hoping for the M14 panel, like on the iPhone 16 Pro, but the rumors point to M13. But don't worry, it's the M13 Plus panel, so you can imagine a little upgrade in that too. Now, onto the cameras. The ultra-wide camera is getting a solid upgrade to a 50-megapixel sensor, finally an upgrade from the 12-megapixel on the S24 Ultra. The 3x telephoto lens stays at 10 megapixel, but it's a slightly larger sensor to capture more light and give better detail. Another cool upgrade, the Ultra will be made with grade 5 titanium, which makes the phone thinner and 13 grams lighter than the S24 Ultra, even though the 5,000 mAh battery is staying the same. Charging speeds are sticking to 45 watts, but it will support faster 25 watts G2 wireless charging. As for colors, we're looking at titanium black, titanium gray, titanium gold, titanium silver, and the titanium blue. There's also a possibility of a jet black variant. Fingers crossed on that one. Under the hood, you'll get the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, paired with UFS 4.1 storage, the S Pen, IP68 rating, and the latest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth standards. One cool change here is that the higher storage variants will come with 16 gigs of RAM instead of 12 gigs, which is a nice bump. The Ultra might also have satellite connectivity, but it might only be available in the US, like with the iPhone. Now let's talk about the S25 and S25 Plus. These two models will have similar designs, just a little thinner this time around. No major changes to the cameras or display, but they'll both feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, which is a huge upgrade over the Exynos chip. Battery and charging speeds will stay the same, but both phones will support 25 watts wireless charging, just like the Ultra. All the S25 phones will come with One UI 7 right out of the box. This version brings some pretty cool updates like new app icons, a redesigned quick settings menu, the much talked about no bar, smoother animations, vertical app drawer support, and a revamped camera app for better reachability. I'd love to see more AI features though, so Samsung can keep up with the competition and inspire other brands. And wait, there's more. There's a rumor that Samsung might also launch the S25 Slim. This could be a competitor to the iPhone 17 Air. It would have the same display size as the S25 Plus, but it would be super thin at just 7mm, about as thin as the iPhone 6. It could feature a triple camera setup with a 200-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom. It'll also pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite and a 5,000 mAh battery, which is pretty impressive for such a slim design. All the S25 phones are expected to launch on January 22nd, with prices staying the same as last year. So that's everything we know so far. Don't forget, I'll be bringing you a hands-on video from the launch event, so make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.